Good morning, YouTube world. Sunday morning. It's about 9:30. I've been up since 5 o'clock as usual. It's a lovely day today. Blue skies. Makes a nice change. There's Mrs. C in the garden, doing a bit. Putting the cover back on the barbecue because I made a barbecue yesterday. Manisha's here.
Good morning, guys. Magandang umaga.
Okay. So Manisha's here. She's going back tomorrow. She was using the jacuzzi last night. We've got evidence.
You can see a point of view later.
Oh, is she doing a point of view? Okay, so apparently Manisha's done a point of view.
Stay tuned.
Okay. So, updates. We'll give you some updates, guys. So this jacuzzi, which you've had for 3 or 4 years, it's finally giving up the ghost.
Not 4 years, because it's been here before then.
I bought it before we even got together, babe. Right, so it's got a puncher, guys, and I can't really repair it. I've tried to repair it. I mean, the puncher's right inside here. I mean, look, these things go inside, and it's on a slit somewhere inside there. You just can't get to them. I've put a bit of silicone on it, and I have to keep blowing up every time I use it. But you know, that's life. Anyway, I found a really, really nice one. It's just over £1,000 though, and it's like a solid foam wall one. You don't have to use a pump or anything like that little pump down there to blow it up. It's solid. So looks like I'll be buying a new jacuzzi in the next week or so. We'll do a little review on it. So yeah, the sun's really, really nice today.
And we put a shade on there.
Oh, we're going to put a shade on there apparently. So the missus tells me. I think what she means is, where that black brick line is up there, I'll do a cover that comes out and over the jacuzzi.
Yeah, but colder,
Okay, we'll figure something out. Anyway, I want to show you something, guys. Everybody talks about Land Rover, Range Rovers not being reliable. Well, since I've had mine, I've had a couple of problems with it. The first one was there's my keys. The first one was a light came up on the dashboard, and all that light told me is that I was low on air in the back tyre, and I just put some air in it and it's been fine ever since. So it's not really a problem, it's just doing its job. It's been quite reliable. I had a little bit of a fuel filter issue. I was leaking some diesel on the drive, but that was because of a rubber washer which wasn't sat correctly on the bottom of the filter. And that's the only problem I've had with this car, to be honest. I gave it a great service, new oil, filters, everything, the other week, and it's been fine. It's not been an issue. I came out the garage yesterday and I just happened to look at the back wheel, and I thought there was something on the tyre, and I found something disturbing. Right, it's really disturbing. Very lucky I've not been driving it too much. Look at this. I think I've had my money's worth out of that tyre. That's really bad. The tyres, to be fair, they needed changing anyway. And I've known that since I bought it, because it's got 4 different tyres on it. I'm not sure what the makes are, but it's got 4 different ones. And they're not all the best, these tyres. So I've booked an appointment for tomorrow morning. I mean, look at this one, that's quite smooth as well. I booked an appointment for tomorrow morning, and I'm going to have 4 brand new tyres put on, all the same make. They're only economy ones, but they're XL load rated, so I'm going to get rid of all these 4 tyres and get brand new ones on it. Oh, wow. So in other news, work. So I've not been working now for about 4 weeks, and I've been trying to decide whether I want to go into a contract again or whether I want to go back full time. And I've been offered quite a few positions, so I've taken one. And on my birthday, which is this Friday, the 24th, I've got an induction, and it's for a site manager for a company, local, 60,000 a year, guys, UK. Really, really good company. So I start with him on the 27th. I'll be in my own bed every night. There'll be no travelling up and down to Sunderland like I've been doing for the last year and a half. And It's a good company. The money's pretty good. It's 10 grand more than the other company I work for every year. Plus I get car allowances and other bits on top, pensions, and so I start with them on Monday the 27th. Now, just to add something in the mix, I got a phone call off an agent where I'd been for an interview with another company, a big company called Fairport. They want me to work in Liverpool for them. And I've told them, look, I've just taken on a job, a full-time job. And they're coming back now saying, we'll pay you £70,000 a year. I'm tempted, guys. I'm bloody tempted. So we'll see what happens there. So Mrs. C's been busy in the kitchen this morning. I got up this morning, I used a slow cooker. And I've sort of part slow cooked a chicken. We're having chicken this week. So that's just going to sit up there until we want to put the roast potatoes in with it. And then we'll finish that off in the oven.
I'll go to the shop.
Mrs. C's doing parsnip snug.
Is it enough, this one?
No, we need some more roast potatoes. We're cheating today. We're doing frozen ones.
Okay, go and get some then.
And then she's doing cauliflower and broccoli cheese today as well.
Yorkshire pudding.
I'm doing the Yorkshire puddings this week. I'm going to try my new tin out. So Mrs. C's off to the shop already. Is it open this time in the morning, babe?
Oh, shit.
Yeah, because it's only 20 to 10 and I've got a feeling that they might not open till 10 o'clock on a Sunday. Technology.
I can't spell anymore, I can't see.
Oh, you've got glasses. Mrs. C doesn't wear her glasses very often. You know the expensive ones bought in the Philippines.
Open soon at 10.
There you go. So it's a good job you didn't go yet because you've got 20 minutes, babe.
Sunday 10 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
So I can...
So that's pretty much what's happening in our life at the moment. Yeah, work-wise and stuff.
Oh, you got your Mini?
I'm using the mic Mini. We've got mic 3s, DJI mic 3s. We've got some DJI mic 2s. And we've got these DJI mic Minis. But we wasn't really using the Minis very often. I was using the mic 2s. I've retired them now. We've put them back in the case and I'm using mic Minis. So if this audio sounds a bit different, that's probably why. These are cheap, but they're good. Don't know what else. Oh, we're going to check the lottery now. I had a dream the other night, guys, and I woke Mrs. C up. I woke Mrs. C up, and I told her the lottery numbers. So, moment of truth. Are we actually going to win the lottery, babe?
I don't know, babe.
Let's have a look. What's it for this time? 8.4 million.
Yeah, but no one wins, eh?
Oh, it might be us then. It could be you.
How can I scan this?
I don't know. Scan it.
No winning.
Huh?
No winning.
You what?
No winning.
No winning. Does that mean we didn't win?
No.
Sorry, no winning matches this time. Oh well, that's it then. So much for the dreams. Another one, guys, because Mrs. C did a what they call it, lucky dip. Oh,
Lucky
congratulations!
I got 1 in 4.
Free lotto lucky dip. Wow, we're not winning the lottery today, guys. Yeah. Otherwise, we'd be locking the door to this house and buggering off to the Philippines.
Yeah, and I built it, the house even no road.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway.
This is the one.
I will do it again, you don't know.
You never know. You've got to be in it to win it, right?
Yeah. Check if we got coins so I can get...
Well, that's about it for now, guys. It was just a short one today. So, yeah, work-wise sorted. Oh, by the way, I thought we were skint, but I've got like an £8,000 invoice getting paid in the next 3 or 4 days. So I think we're going to be all right till my first pay packet from the new job.
Anyway.
And the missus got more wages coming.
Yeah, so we're not skint.
We're not skint. We're pretty rich. Okay, well, I'm going to say goodbye for now, and we'll do another video later. What do you think, babe?
Goodbye. Salamat po.
And thank you to the new subscribers this week as well.
Keep watching.
Keep
Ingat
watching.
palagi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Sabihin kung paano